came out to a fucking dope ass world because I was a dope motherfucker inside. And then I was just able to fucking kill it. And everybody just, they think that, hey, once I'm killing it, then I'll become a better man. No, you have to be a better man, then you'll kill it.
So how'd you build up your business? So you get out.
Okay,
right?
yeah. So I get out with $200. They send me to my grandma's.
That's it?
Yeah, $200 gate money. They send me to my grandma's house. I'm living on a twin bed in the same room as my parents.
Is San Diego?
Yeah,
or
San
where
Diego.
Okay.
And with my grandma and my parents, I live in the same room as my parents, a twin bed, and they have a queen bed. We're in the same fucking room. I'm 30,
and real quick, I want to say this for the audience
35.
out there. I don't want to hear no fucking excuses because this guy comes out of prison after 10 years and he figures it out 5 years later, making millions of dollars. So I want you guys to pay attention here.
With $200 by the way.
Yeah, with $200 fucking dollars.
Wow. I'm 30 fucking 5 with $200 living in the same room as my parents.
Yeah.
But I got Instagram and I've been posting. I had 11,000 followers when I got out of prison. I've been posting for years in prison. I just wanted to talk to people. I didn't want to make money. Like I would come back to my phone after I had the essays put it up or my homies sit on it. And there'd be 15 comments and 5 messages. And I'm like, people love me. Hell yeah. I just wanted to be seen and attention and like love, you know?
Yeah.
So I did it out of the most righteous fashion. Like I just wanted like fucking to connect with people. The reason the fucking internet was supposed to be. And then, so what I end up doing, I had the $200 and I found an app and I'm like, oh, I could put people's nutrition and training on here. And I'm just showing my workouts online. And I'm making like 300 to 800 to like 3,000 a month, like getting random clients offline to train them for $250 a month.
Okay.
I would charge $150, $250 or something for a training program. And then I went on YouTube and I told my story on Big Herc's channel. It was Fresh Out. And everything just went viral. Just
Shout to him.
Yeah, millions of views. And my shit started blowing up.